I've been here and I filed for asylum, but since then, nobody called me for interview. I'm asking what can I do to speed my process. That's the first question.
Okay.
I started a business here as a truck driver. I own my truck, have a business. I'm wondering if I can get a green card through my business. Those are my two questions.
Okay. Number one, you can only self-petition yourself through your business for a green card if you've invested over $1 million in that business and hiring 10 employees, which I doubt you have 10 employees to drive your truck. So unless you have a huge trucking business, that's not going to go. Now, as far as your asylum is concerned, here's a human being who filed for asylum. All the bad asylum people who started their own business and is helping the U.S. economy, but that's a whole other story. Okay? Let's talk about you personally. You personally, government has what's called a LIFO, last in, first out policy for asylum. So they're trying to discourage people from filing for asylum. So how do they discourage people from filing asylum? As soon as you file, you get an interview. You don't even have an opportunity for a work permit. So they're trying to move forward, try to discourage people from filing asylum. Last person in gets the first interview. So what does that do for people who have been waiting? They're going to wait longer and longer and longer. So you have two choices. You can wait and just do your thing, and eventually you'll get an interview. I don't know when. Maybe next year, maybe in 2 years, maybe in 3 years, who knows? Or two, you can do what I tell lots of people to do. File a mandamus. Okay? In this day and age, you got to file mandamus actions. You file, it's such a simple thing to do. You file a mandamus, you bring your case in federal court. The government's been pending my asylum case for 5 years. I want a decision one way or the other. Now, for asylum cases, you're really only going to do that if you have a slam dunk case. Otherwise, you're probably risking being put in removal and having to deal with the immigration judge. So I would certainly, before I tell you go file asylum, I would certainly tell you let's discuss the bona fides of your asylum claim first. Hold on one second, okay?